how to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to make a playlist on Spotify, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Spotify application over here. And once you launch your Spotify app, you're gonna see this type of interface where of course you want to make sure that you're signed into the account. Now in order to create a playlist, you can tap the your library option from the bottom right of the screen here, and you're gonna land on this page where you can just tap the plus icon located at the top of the screen and then tap the option called playlist in order to create a new playlist. So you can simply name your playlist depending upon whatever type of name you would like to give, and then tap the create option. Now that we've created our playlist, how do we add songs to our playlist? Now by default, whenever you're on this playlist, it will ask you to add some of the recommended songs to your playlist, and you can add using one of these as well. However, let's just say that you are browsing through some of the songs on Spotify and then you like a certain song and then you would like to add that particular song to your playlist. That's also quite simple. You can just tap the three dots option, tap on add to playlist, and then simply add it to the playlist that you just created. That's all it takes to go and create a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to of course leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.